Do you want to know what it feels like to go on a mini vacation every single night? To go to bed accomplished and wake up the next morning feeling fully rested and restored and motivated with clarity to tackle your day? And do you want to feel more in control with a healthy balance between work and rest? Well, with the right evening routine, you can have all of this and more. And in this video, I'm going to show you my evening routine, including the one big domino that sets it all in motion and ensures that I will actually do it, so that you can take what works for me, make it your own, and reap the rewards of a day well done. I'm Tommy Sobel, Digital Habits Coach. In this channel, I'll help you reclaim 20 to 40 hours of productive time each week. If you want more systems, support, and free tools to help you break your bad phone habits, supercharge your productivity, and live life in flow state, be sure to subscribe and click on the bell so that I can share more with you. My evening routine starts with an alarm. My phone actually has an alarm that goes off at 7:30 p.m. every night, weekends as well, and that alarm is to remind me to stop working. And so at 7:30 p.m., I'm working at my desk on my computer. That alarm goes off. That is my reminder to turn off my screen, stop working, or wind down, finish writing that email, and go into the second part of my evening routine, which is to start cooking. And this is the big domino. This is the most important part of my evening routine, is because if I don't have this alarm, I have a tendency to keep working till 9 p.m., 10 p.m., and then if I work that late, I end up wanting to spend more time to unwind and relax and end up going to sleep way later than I want, ruining my sleep and then ruining my next day. And so everything really starts at the beginning with the trigger of this 7:30 p.m. alarm clock. After the alarm goes off, I might review my calendar for the next day. I might just take a look at what my next day is, so that I can make sure everything is ready for it. And if I haven't done it already, I actually plug my phone into its charger at my work desk. And so I actually have a little box with a plug in it. And so that is where my phone sleeps at night, and I pretty much don't touch it until the next morning. I have a notebook, and this is a notebook that's specifically for my to-do list. And so every single night, I write down the date, and I write down my top 3 priorities for the next day. These top 3 priorities allow me to focus on what's really important for me to accomplish. It kind of creates a rudder for the next day, and it allows me to wake up the next morning knowing that I already have a plan and a strategy, and if I feel a little bit lost or unsure of what I want to do today, I can just refer to that and it puts me back on course. Then at 7:30, I turn off screens and I start cooking. And so I give myself from around 7:30 to 8 p.m. approximately to cook with my girlfriend often. And then from 8 to 8:30 p.m. we're eating, we're enjoying a meal. After we eat, then it's hang time. And so that could be yoga, that could be watching a movie, could be playing with our cat, but whatever it is, could be a dance party. Either way, we're spending a couple hours completely detached from work, focused on unwinding, changing gears, and spending quality time with loved ones. After dinner, or during dinner sometimes, we turn the lights off in our house, we replace them with candles, and that just kind of sets the mood for the shift in the evening to go from bright lights, work mode, screens on, into let's start to settle down, activate the parasympathetic dominance, which is the rest and digest part of the autonomic nervous system, and that allows us to do a little bit less, take care of ourselves, and also the orange light in candles has much less blue light in it. And so having a lot of these white lights, the blue light, this disrupts your circadian rhythm. So by turning the lights off, that allows us to let our bodies start to unwind. And often what we do, actually, if we are going to watch TV or a movie, is to wear blue light glasses. My favorite blue light glasses are the ones that I got from Raw Optics. I just really like how they look, and they're cool. Sometimes I even wear them during the day. And these glasses just make me feel more at ease when I am watching something at night, because I know that I'm getting less of the blue light that's going to disrupt my sleep, make me feel a little bit more groggy in the morning, or make me feel like I need more sleep so I'm not sleeping as efficiently. So I highly recommend them. We also do like face masks. So we have red light masks to get some little bit of fun self-care, and the red light and the amber light actually can increase collagen and all this fun stuff that is kind of unrelated to this, but it's just like a nice way to kind of treat myself with some self-care. After that, I'll brush my teeth, and then it's time to get in bed. I make sure that I have my big glass of water so that I can make sure that I drink it in the morning right when I wake up. I also set my alarm clock. We have a rule in my house that the bedroom is a phone-free zone. The alarm clock that I use is like a $10 alarm clock I got on Amazon. It's battery powered, so sometimes I travel with it, but it's just a really great way to know that I still can wake up when I want to without feeling like I need to use my phone as my alarm. The next thing that I do when I'm about to get in bed is I'll take some CBD. It really helps me just stay asleep. I'm a really light sleeper, and I wouldn't say that I have issues sleeping, but especially if you share a bed or if you have pets or there's noises, I have a tendency to wake up, and that adds up and makes me need more sleep, and I don't sleep as efficiently. So having CBD is kind of a extra layer to guarantee that I'm gonna really get the rest that I want. I'm a really big fan of Feels CBD. It's the first CBD that I've taken that I don't feel groggy or kind of slower in the morning. Other CBD I've had a little bit of brain fog for. The next thing I do is I have a gratitude practice, and I'm gonna make a separate video to get more deep into this. But having a gratitude practice at the end of a night is incredibly helpful to really remember what happened that day from a perspective of progress and thanks and accomplishment. So, when I'm so focused during the day, the whole day can go by and I can feel like I'm super busy, but I can't even remember if I accomplished anything. And so taking 5-10 minutes to feel gratitude about the day and just everything I'm thankful for allows me to realize how far I've come even just today, and by flipping back over the pages, it's really nice to see how far I've really come. Also, if I have time or if I still want to wind down, I'll read for 20 minutes in bed. Reading in bed is a great fun practice to get a little bit of fun gems often. And then I'll put on my sleep mask, because my bedroom is not completely pitch black, and I just know that if I can have pure darkness, I will sleep better. So I put on my sleep mask, and the lights come off, and I am ready for a whole new day tomorrow. So that's my evening routine as a digital minimalist. I hope you got something out of it. If you want, offering a free PDF with this checklist of things so that you can use it yourself or make it your own. Thank you for watching. Again, if you got value out of this, please subscribe. I would love to know what your evening routine is, or what is your one big domino that gets your evening routine started. Please put it in the comments. I will read and respond to each of them. Thank you so much.